This is a Spirobranchus giganteus. Christmas tree worms are a type of tube-dwelling polychaete worms belonging to the family Serpulidae and the class Polychaeta. They are commonly found in tropical oceans worldwide, from the Caribbean to the Indo-Pacific. They are recognized by their two-color spiral structures protruding from their bodies, which are used for both respiration and feeding. They are sedentary and mostly inhabit coral reefs, where they create holes in corals to shelter their bodies. Additionally, they have the ability to change their gender, transitioning from male to female or vice versa. This feature is an adaptation to increase reproductive success.